Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gone Fishing. We were gonna take the kayak out and do some jigging, but it's windy. It's too windy for my liking. I don't like it when it's too choppy. It's dangerous. So we're gonna go spinnerbait and go for pike. I got two spots. I found a new spot and I love it. But first we're gonna try the little canal and then we'll go to the new spot. So stay tuned. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. Got something. Bass. Big bass.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got a big bass. There we go. It's a monster bass. Oh my god. Look at the size of this bass, guys. Oh my god. Look at the size of that. That is a beast. Beautiful. Let's get him back. There we go. Something hit it real hard. There we go. What we got here? Another big bass. There we go. Another big bass, guys. The other one was way bigger, but we'll take it. Little bass. Weight spinner. We're gonna have to go black if we want our pike. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. That's another monster bass. Holy shit. Man, these things are huge. Oh no.
Artlist.io.
That wasn't smart. Another monster bass, guys. Look at the size of these things. Absolutely beautiful.
Music licensing
Throw 'em back.
reimagined.
Monster. There we go, guys. Top water. Top water. There we go. Whopper plopper. That is fucking sweet. On the whopper plopper, guys. First one of the year on the whopper. Look at that. He destroyed the whopper plopper. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Destroyed the whopper plopper, guys. Oh yeah. Throw him back.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's awesome. Another one, guys. Top water, baby. Oh yeah.
Artlist.io.
Top water whopper plopper. Look at that. On the whopper. Favorite fishing, guys. Top water. I don't know if you guys watch my other videos, but my favorite, my favorite is top water.
Music licensing reimagined.
Look at that. On the whopper plopper. Wow. Let's throw them back.
Artlist.io.
There we go, guys. There we go. Top water is insane. There we go. Got him. Got him. Got him on the Whopper Plopper.
Licensing reimagined.
Whopper Plopper 75. Dangerous. This is dangerous. There we go. Top water, boys. Beautiful bass. Throw them back. That was right in the middle too. These fish are active. There we go, guys. There we go. Oh, he went for that one. It's another beautiful bass.
Music
On the Whopper
licensing
Plopper again.
reimagined.
Look at that. Wow. Destroyed it. Destroyed the Whopper Plopper. Ow. Throw him back. Alright guys, we absolutely killed it. We wanted pike, man. We're going for pike. But bass. Bass after bass after bass. Top water, spinner bait, but nothing beats the Whopper Plopper, man. Top water, just that whop, 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 whop. The fish hate it, I think. They just smash it. But now we're gonna go to our second spot and see if we get into a pike. All right, so we made it to our second spot. It is gorgeous. Windy, but you know what that means? Spinner bait, pike. Let's go. All right, let's go with our first cast. Hope to get into a pike. I lost a nice one last time I was here. There we go, guys, already. Bass. Oh my God, is that ever big? Holy shit, look at the size of this bass. That's freaking huge. Oh my God. That's my PB for sure this year. Oh my God. Let's get him off the hook. Look at the size of this bass. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Oh wow. Whoo. Look at this thing. Wow. Let's get him back. First cast. Huge bass. Let's get him back. Oh. Holy shit. All right, we're not getting nothing. We'll try black. Let's see. Man, black looks good. Hope I don't get bit by a freaking snake.
Music licensing reimagined.
How is there no fish in here? I don't get it. There we go, guys. Oh yeah, big bass just came and swallowed it. This is gonna be fun, guys. This is going to be fun. Let's see. Oh my God, we did it. Man, look at the size of that freaking bass. Holy shit, that's another 5-pounder. Oh my God. The size of it. Look at my hand. It's not even a quarter of the fish. Wow. Oh, wow. Another beast. Put on the black and he just destroyed it. Look at the size of that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's throw him back fast. Ow. What a gorgeous fish. Throw him back. Goodbye. Whoo. Maybe the water's cold in here? Colder? I don't know. I can't seem to frickin' get a pike.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go, guys. Something small. Little bass. Little baby bass. It's okay. Come on. Hey, hey. Oh,
Artless.io.
see ya, buddy. Oh, fucking fish, man. There we go, guys. Come on, pike. Oh, it feels like a pike. Oh, yeah.
Music licensing.
That feels like a pike, boys. That feels like a pike. Oh, yeah, it is a pike. There we go. That feels like a pike. Oh, he doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to get in the net. He doesn't want to get in the net. There we go, boys. We got our freaking pike. Hell yeah. Let's get him in the land. We got our freaking pike.
Artless.io.
I knew it. Never give up, guys. Always keep on cruising and you'll get your fish. That is awesome. What a beautiful fish. Look at that. Oh yeah. Ow, ow. Hey. Hey. Ow, 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 ow. Feisty little fucker. Look at that. Beautiful. What a beautiful fish. Let's take a picture with him. Wow. Beautiful. There we go, guys. We got our pike. Been trying since for 2 hours. Nothing but bass, bass, bass. We got our pike. We're just gonna chuck them right in. See ya. Never give up. That's the key. I think there's another one in here. Just gotta find them. We got weeds. No. How awesome is that?
Music licensing reimagined.
Another pike, guys, right at the feet. Did you see that or what? Wow. Right at my feet, guys. I told you. Oh, we lost him. Look at him. Look at him. Wow. That is awesome. Telling you, pike fishing, never bring up your... Twitch it a couple times before you bring it up. Holy shit. That was hilarious.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go, guys. Another pike. That's a big one. That's a big one. Come on, don't come off. Don't come off, baby. Don't come off this time. Get in there. Look at this, man. Another pike, boys. Holy shit. Caught one, had one, missed four, caught another one. Let's get him off. Black spinner bait ticket today. Wow, what a day of fishing. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, what a beauty. Let's get him back. Oh, wow.
Music licensing.
Whew. Gorgeous. Just bomb him in. There he goes. See ya, buddy. This is hilarious. I'll take it. There we go, guys. There we go. Small. Feels small. Oh no. Yeah, looks like a bass. Yeah, this is sweet. This new spot is fire. Nice little bass. See ya, buddy. Go get your pike buddies. All right, guys, that's gonna end another episode of Gone Fishing. It was insane. Bass after bass. Went to my new location, my second time here, and we killed it. Killed it. I lost about 5 pike. I don't know if I have to sharpen my hook, but we got into 2. We had 1 right there, and we couldn't get him with the net. But man, all in all, it was amazing. I'll be coming here every time. Even on the kayak, it is gorgeous. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment if you like. Ciao.